Hello and welcome to another tutorial here at NetDispatcher. Today I'm going to be showing you the mobile application for the technicians in the field. Today I'm going to be talking about how a technician would go about opening up a work order, how they would complete that work order, and how they would make corrections to that work order if needed. So whenever the technician logs in to NetDispatcher and into their account, this is the view that they will see. You can limit them on what they can access in the system. So the worker will go ahead and click on the jobs. And as you can see, it's going to bring up their dispatch board and it's going to break everything down into 4 sections. You're going to have jobs that are in progress, jobs that have been dispatched, jobs that are paused, and jobs that are completed. As you can see, we have a dispatch job already, and we can see that it's a service of AC repair for Mr. Marty McFly, and we have the start date and the start time. So if the worker wanted to, he can go ahead and click start or complete, or by clicking the arrow here, the technician would be able to see a more detailed work order. So when they click the arrow, once again it brings up a more detailed work order that they go look through to get some more details on the job and what needs to get done. They can see the job description here, and also they can see that they have a checklist here, and also if there are any performance recommendations, and if they need to, they can attach any sort of pictures. Then they can click on the tabs for customer, see where the address is, any sort of contact information, if it's at a specific property. And as you can see here, we actually have the AC equipment. And then you can see materials, if any materials are needed for the job. So from here, we will go ahead and click the Start Job Now. And this will begin tracking our time. So let's say that this worker needs to go in and go through this checklist or type in any notes. What they would need to do is go down to the bottom and click on Actions, and then they will click on Edit. Edit's going to give them the ability to make any corrections or any additions to this work order. So we can go ahead and go through the checklist, say that we've checked all these items. Are there any performance recommendations? We'll go ahead and say none available. And then we'll go ahead and click Add Attachment because we want to add a picture. Once you've gone through all that information, be sure to hit Save, because if you go back or into any one of these tabs, it will discard all of this information. So we'll go ahead and click Save. And we now have that information saved into the work order. So now what the worker needs to do, whenever they are complete with the job, or if they need to pause the job because they're either going to a different work site or they're going on a break of some sort, they can click pause. But we're going to go ahead and click complete. And if we go back to the dispatch board for the technician, we will now see that the job we just completed shows up in the completed section. That concludes the tutorial today for how to open up the dispatch board, how to start and complete a job, and how to make any necessary corrections to that work order. Thank you very much and have a great day.